Hi guys, I'm now to introduce you the magnetic track light system from LifeSmart and how to wire and its installation. The magnetic track light system can be divided into three parts: tracks, lights, and the accessories. Here are two tracks, two linear track. So how to splice the two tracks into one? We need the connecting kit, which is including a fixing plate, two bolts, and screws, and Allen wrench. Use this fixing plate, inserting it. Fix it with the Allen wrench and insert the two bolts inside the track. Also, you need this to tighten it. Okay. Then you can splice the two tracks. Like this. And tighten the screws with the Allen wrench. Then the splice tracking is done. Here is the linear track. So if you want to connect the tracks into an L shape, you need an L shape connecting track. L shape connecting track. So at this time, you need two sets of the connecting kit. In this end and in the other end. Then the tracks can be connected like this. Okay, then I will show you how to power the magnetic light system. Here is the power adapter, and this is the electricity connector, and this is our controller, 5-corner line, I-shape conductive connector, and the L-shape conductive connector. This is the track cover. First of all, you can see these three lines: yellow, black, red, and the red is for positive pole, and the black is for warm negative pole, and yellow is for cold negative pole. So we need to connect it to this one and this controller. This 5-corner line is connected to the controller, so we need a wire this two lines. And for the 5-corner line, the black is for the positive pole, so we need to connect the black line with this red line. Then the blue one and the red one, we can choose one of them to connect it with the warm negative pole. It is the black line. And for the green or the white line, it is for the cold negative line. It is connected to the yellow line. Yeah. We choose the green and the blue, so the red and the red and the white are idle. At the one end of the track, there is a hole. You can pass the power line through it. And fasten the electric connector to the track. Connect the time to the controller. And connect it with the adapter. Now the power supply is okay. And this I-shaped conductive conductor is used to extend the track. So when the two tracks are connected, you need this feed into the track, and that is okay. And the air shape is for the connecting track air shape, like this. Now I introduce you the three kinds of lights. Here is the linear light, linear spot light, and this one is adjustable spot module, and this one is adjustable flood module. It is simple to use it. We can directly fasten it to the track. And here you can see this black block is a supporting block. It is to prevent the track from deforming. So when you complete the installation, you can just throw it away. After we know how to assemble the magnetic track light system, and we can insert it in the ceiling and match it to our LifeSmart app or the Nature Series smart panel through the smart station. And now I will show you how to adjust the brightness and color temperature on the Nature 7.